Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Vivoactive 3 or Vivoactive 3 Music Edition tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the heart rate monitoring on the back of the watch. So there are a couple of reasons you may want to do this. Sometimes it may just turn off by its own. Maybe you messed it up in the settings, so we'll need to turn it back on. And then also if you're trying to extend the battery life, you might want to turn off the heart rate monitoring because that is using a good amount of battery. So to begin, we need to just long press the watch face. Once the menu comes up, scroll down to Settings. In Settings, we're going to scroll down until we get to Sensors and Accessories. And then in Sensors and Accessories, go to Heart Rate. So once we're in HR Settings, as you can see in here, we have tons of different settings that we can turn on and off related to heart rate. But to turn off the heart rate monitoring on our Garmin Vivoactive 3, we need to just select this Wrist HR, and that'll turn it off. Now you just swipe from left to right to go back to the watch face. That's how you turn on or off the heart rate monitoring on your Garmin Vivoactive 3 or Vivoactive 3 Music Edition. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Vivoactive 3 tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.